Bad habits of South Indian actresses. Samantha Akineni. Samantha is currently one of the highest paid actresses of South Indian industry. Samantha likes to be in shape always. Samantha, being a fitness freak, has a habit of exercising every day, and she cannot spend a day without exercise. Rashmika Mandanna. She is currently declared as the national crush, and this actress has a very bubbly nature. Rashmika's bad habit is that she bites her nails whenever she feels stressed. Sai Pallavi. This young actress of South Indian industry has already won millions of hearts with her carefree attitude. But little does people know that Sai Pallavi has a habit of taking more shots to make a scene perfect, which sometimes irritates the makers. Kajal Agarwal. Kajal Agarwal is one of the most successful actresses from South Indian industry, and she has done Bollywood movies too. Kajal Agarwal has a bad habit of cleaning her hands every 5 minutes. Either she will wash it or sanitize it. Anushka Shetty. This South Indian actress is very much concerned about her fitness, and she cannot live a day without yoga. Well, this is not at all a bad habit, but Anushka cannot live without doing yoga and exercise. Shruti Hassan. This popular South Indian and Bollywood actress has a huge fan base. Shruti has a very bad habit of collecting footwears. Yes, Shruti Hassan loves to collect footwears, and till now she has more than 150 pairs of footwears. Tamanna Bhatia. Tamanna is a well-known South Indian as well as popular Bollywood actress too. Tamanna has a habit of cleaning and moisturizing her feet every minute, even during shoots. Hansika Motwani. This actress has done several movies in South Indian industry but has failed to earn fame in Bollywood. Hansika has a very bad habit of checking her phone every minute, and she cannot get rid of this addiction. Trisha Krishnan. This actress is quite popular in South Indian industry, and she's a swimming freak. Trisha loves to swim, and whenever she gets time, she dives into the pool to have a swim session. Shreya Saran. This actress enjoys a quite big fan base in South Indian industry. Shreya loves to wear heels too much, and she has a bad habit of wearing heels all the time. She has a huge collection of heels.